Welcome. Thank you for taking your time for this video. Do you often feel that you've been underutilized in life, your potential has not been attained? Do you generally feel dissatisfied and unhappy? This could be a reason which we are going to talk about today. Let's go ahead with the video. My name is Monica. I am a life transformation coach. I help corporates and individuals expand their self-awareness and overall performance. So today's topic is self-talk. That means, what do we keep telling ourselves? You know, friends, that there is a continuous dialogue which goes on in our mind. We keep having these thoughts. There is a voice which is talking to us all the time. And do you know how it shapes our life? Well, whatever we are talking about, our self-talk is firming up our beliefs. Our beliefs are shaping up our actions, and our actions are actually deciding our life, whether it is successful, whether it is satisfied, whether it's happy, whether it's unsuccessful. So it is our talk which is happening within, which shapes our life for us. Are these sentences a little familiar for you? I'm too old for that. This is too much responsibility. I'm not used to so much. I don't have enough energy for that. Money is for people who are crooks. Too much money would need too much time. These kind of thoughts, if they ever run in your head, is something which is, stopping you back. This is your self-talk. So without wasting too much time, let me give you some remedies. Let me give you some quick hacks to improve your self-talk. The first and foremost is developing a positive vocabulary. You make sure that you have at least 50 to even 100 positive words in your vocabulary. Words like super, awesome, bright, it's amazing, superlative, and these are the kind of words which you can have in your dictionary all the time. The words which you use for yourself and for others. And the second is journaling your thoughts. First of all, start with journaling your thoughts for 1 hour. See how many positive or negative thoughts do you get in that 1 hour. This thought journaling would help. Third is a gratitude journal. Just every day write 3 things you are happy or you're grateful about. Fourth and most important thing is that associate yourselves with an NGO or a do-gooder organization where they help other people. This will help you stay grounded and take a inventory of how your life is better than the others and how you make a difference to others' lives. Fourth, and I think it's the fifth point, right? So just remember that there are no failures. Never fear failure. There are always lessons. They are never failures. Have a mantra in life, and the mantra is, I can do it. Just maybe you can just write it somewhere on your almirah, on the walls where you can see it all the time. You can just write, I can do it. Then another thing which you can do is, I think this is the 7th point. The 7th point is, catch yourselves whenever you are in the past. And how do you know? Or if you're dwelling on a negative thought, how do you know that you're in a negative zone? Is when your energy falls. The moment you feel a fall in your energy, wherein you feel that something has gone down mentally and even in your body also follows your mind, immediately perk yourselves up. Just, change your thoughts. Change it into positive. Think about something nice, of a nice holiday you've had. You can just, think of all of these things. And the last is visualization. Visualize. The RAS, that is the reticular activating system, is something which, the more we visualize, the more RAS system is also activated, in which we are, guiding our subconscious and our brain to only look out for the positive opportunities, for the positive situations for us to get in. And these positive opportunities and positive situations will lead us to more happiness and success in our life. So friends, these are, I know out there must be a lot of other points also. These are some 7-8 points that I have myself used in my life very successfully, and I have always come out a winner in any situation. I am mindful of my self talk, and I hope you will also be. So you can just comment below on the video, and you can write to me at kaushik.monica@gmail.com. More than happy to connect with you. Till the next time, bye.